Hi everyone, this is Zubair. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I want to discuss 4 points. The first one is what is virtual machine, benefit of using virtual machine, system requirement to run virtual machine, and downloading and installing virtual machine. We will discuss all this topic one by one. Okay, the first one is what is virtual machine. Simplest way to explain is what is virtual machine is having two or more computer in one physical machine. You can run multiple operating system in one physical machine. No need separate physical hardware to buy. Let's say example here I have Macintosh operating system or Apple computer, and in this computer I want to run Windows operating system or Linux operating system. In the normal way I cannot do. I need to buy another computer installed with the Windows 10 or Linux. But with the help of virtual machine we can do this. How? There is a software called hypervisor. This hypervisor run on the top of operating system and ask the operating system to share some of the hardware, RAM, CPU, and storage or hard disk. We have too many types of hypervisor. Let's see. We have two types of hypervisor: type 1 hypervisor and type 2 hypervisor. Type 1 hypervisor is this one is mostly used in the big organizations. Type 1 hypervisor directly run above hardware, and then you can run. First you have hardware, and then is type 1 hypervisor, and above type 1 hypervisor you can run multiple services. Okay, you can run Linux, you can run Windows, you can run Macintosh. Examples of this software, we call it VMware, most popular. This one is used mostly for the organizations. Let's say maybe they want to run multiple services in one hardware. They have hardware and then type 1 hypervisor, and they can run multiple services. Maybe they can run one web server, they can run file server, and they can run VPN server in one hardware. They will not cost too much money. They cannot buy for each service each hardware. So, and the second one is type 2 hypervisor. This is the type 2 hypervisor that we are going to do. Type 2 hypervisor is direct, it's not like the type 1 hypervisor. It doesn't run directly on the top of hardware. No, this is first you have hardware, then you have an operating system, then you can run type 2 hypervisor. One of the most open software is called we have VirtualBox, and after that you can run multiple operating system on this machine. This you can use in your own laptop. Maybe you have laptop with Windows 10 operating system, and then you install on top the virtual machine. One of the most open software is VirtualBox. You can run on VirtualBox on the top, then you can run multiple operating system regardless of what operating system you are using. And let's see what's the benefit of using virtual machine: to learn and experience different types of operating system. Yeah, you have one Windows 10 machine computer and you want to learn about Macintosh, but you don't have money to buy, so you can run virtual machine on the top of, and then you can experience different you can learn different operating systems without buying or losing your money. Yeah, even if you damage it, no need to worry about it, you can install it again. And the second one is for the test scenario. Yeah, if you want to test some applications. The third one is to run legacy applications or operating system. Maybe you want to run XP operating system, or you want to run legacy or old applications. All this is the virtual machine is helpful to run. So Last video is how to install or how to download. So let's go. To download the virtual machine is first to go to any browser. Here I'm going to run it. Okay, then right here download VirtualBox, download virtual. This is the open software, it's free. Then you go to the first website, virtual.org. Press here and go to download button. Here you can choose which operating system you are using or which machine you have in. Now I have in Windows 10, so I'm going to download Windows host, this one. If you have Macintosh, you can download Macintosh. If you have Linux, you can download Linux. So I already downloaded it, and I will show you how to install. Okay, so let's see, I already downloaded. Then you need to choose which folder you download. I already downloaded in the download folder, so I will go to download folder and then click in this executive file. Yeah, install anyway, because this one this software is not part of the Windows 10 operating system, so asking permission. Yes, this is the way to install virtual machine. Okay, then next, click next. Yes, it will ask you that there is warning for network interface. No problem, they will install their own network drive. Network driver. Yes, click yes, install. It's installing now. So in the next video I will show you how you can add in this Windows 10 operating system in this virtual machine. We will see in the next video. Yeah, finish. It's already finished. Let's see if it's installed or not. Let's go. Yeah, it's installed. Yeah, it's installed. In the next video I will show you how to add any operating system in this virtual machine. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe, share, like my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching my video.